Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates! Welcome to Renzo Tara Channel. Nandito lang po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful at reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi na pangan sinusubaybayan na Renzo Tara Channel. May kami ka-shoutout po sa lahat nating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na lagi nanood at nakaabang. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Ang ating pong reading ay napagsasamahan ay isang general reading para sa ating pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Gemini. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign, this is for you. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at di po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe po, like, comment, and share. And if you're watching this po sa ating TikTok account, wag po kayo mayawag follow. And please, important notice po, baka may mag-chat po sa inyo, mag-message po sa inyo sa TikTok, mag-offer po ng private reading. Scammer po yan, manloko po yan. So, hindi po ako yung una mag-chat po para sa inyo. So, make sure na kayo po yung unang mag-message po sa ating TikTok account and pag-usapan po natin kung paano po kayo makakapag-avail ng private reading. Alright, huwag na natin patagal na peto, Gemini, kunin na natin ang 10 baraha para sa iyong general reading. Speaking of first spirit guides, angels, and testers, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael, give us the 10 cards please for Gemini. Sige, maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Simula noon hanggang ngayon na hindi nyo po piniiwan. Maraming salamat po. I hope you're doing great, you're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Saint Michael, give us 5 more cards please. Holy Spirit. So eto, kumpletuhin na natin. Your 10 cards now, Gemini, are ready. Huwag na natin patagalin pa ito. For your general reading, your first card is the Tower. Oh, this is a very beautiful card. Why, Gemini? I can see here a total collapse, a total ending of a certain situation na hindi na nag-work para sa iyo. Maaring may mga problema, mga worries, takot, doubts, frustrations, and disappointments are still haunting you or kumbaga bumabagabag pa rin sa iyo. With the Tower card here, I can feel that all of that will be ended, matatapos na yan, will be ending, and merong bagong chapter ng buhay mo ang parating sa'yo. This is a rebirth, okay? So, Tower means collapse of a situation or an institution. So, alam naman natin kapag may nagtatapos, merong panibagong kapalit or bagong magsisimula. This is a rebirth or a new beginning for you, Gemini. Okay? Napakagandang opening card. So, Knight of Cups, victory, success, abundance, stability. Expect, Gemini, na kung lately you feel that stuck ka sa isang sitwasyon na kala mo wala ng growth na nangyayari, wala ng improvement ang buhay mo. It seems that everything is falling into pieces for you. But with the Knight of Cups here, i-claim mo na ito. Unti-unti mo na makikita ang culmination, yung bunga ng lahat ng paghihirap mo, yung bunga ng lahat ng mga bagay na nilaban mo, talagang you fought for it, you really, kumbaga may mga taong tumalikod sa'yo, pinagtawanan ka, hindi naniwala sa'yo, but still you keep on pushing, or you keep on moving forward. And with Gemini, with this Knight of Cups, so expect result, good result, or bunga ng lahat ng itong paghihirap mo. Alright? So, 10 of Swords, I can see here na hindi talaga madali ang pinagdaanan mo. It seems na hindi lang ito bastang worry, hindi lang ito basta problema, but I can see here na talagang tinalikuran ka, tinapakan ka, sinira ka, trinayro ka, pinagtawanan ka. Talagang, seems na talagang binubugbog sarado. You're on the ground. Talagang di mo nga aakalain kung paano ka nakasurvive. But here you are, Gemini, you're still fighting, you're still kicking, lumalaban pa rin, buhay, and still being hopeful. Okay? So, this card, this 10 of Swords, is just telling or just showing us how painful yung mga pinagdaanan mo lately. And I know, Gemini, that still, it is not the end. Marami pa. Parte lang siya ng proseso ng buhay mo dito sa universe. And I believe, Gemini, that you're one of the bravest. You're isa kayo sa mga matatapang na klaseng tao. At hindi basta-basta na-knockdown or napapatumba ng mga problema. Alright? So, Gemini, hindi talaga naging madali ang lahat para sa'yo. Ang apat, 3 of Wands. I can see here you're now ready to move forward. It's been a long time na parang nanahimik ka. It's been a long time na parang nasakripisyo ang happiness mo. You really wanted to be happy again. Matagal mo nang gustong maging masaya, magkaroon ng peace of mind, but dahil sa mga nangyari, dahil sa mga painful experiences, sa mga problema, inisikaso mo muna, hinarap mo, you know, a lot of things, issues na sabi ko nga ay talagang gumulo sa buhay mo or bumagabag sa'yo, yun munang inuna mo. But now I can see here, you're now ready to turn back, talikuran ang lahat ng to, iwan ng to, and face a new chapter of your life. With the Tower card here, sabi ko patatapos nga ang lahat ng yan, Gemini, and now you're ready to face a new chapter of your life wherein this is the kind of life that you've been wishing for. This is the kind of journey na talagang you are aligned, dito ka talaga, dito mo maipapamalas ang galing mo, dito ka magiging masaya. And this is the place or this is the new chapter where you will be contented. Right, Gemini? So, keep pushing yourself, moving forward. You are now ready to embark into a new journey with the Three of Wands here. Panglima mong baraha for your general reading is the Ten of Wands. I can see her lang, Gemini, na as of the moment, your current situation is like overwhelmed ka. Ang dami mong responsibilities na inuuna, hindi lang sa sarili mo, even your family members, tumutulong ka, nagbibigay ka, ikaw yung inaasahan sa trabaho, ikaw yung inaasahan ng lahat kasi magaling ka, parang sa'yo pinapasa ang lahat ng mga reports, ang mga gawain, love life, relationship, family, mga anak. So it seems na talagang pasan mo ang daigdig dito, Gemini. But I know, sabi ko, this is just a physical thing na talagang kung mapagod ka, physically, pwede mong ipahinga, mentally, pwede kang mag-unwind to recharge, kumbaga, to balance your mental health. But this card is just showing na talagang overwhelmed ka as of the moment, or talagang busy ka, ang dami mong pinagkakabisihan ngayon, talagang feeling mo ay parang, kulang ka sa time para mag-recharge dito. Wala kang time para magpahinga. So, before we proceed to our last 5 cards, Gemini, dito sa ating second row, ulitin ko po, kapag di po pa kayo nag-subscribe sa ating YouTube account, please do subscribe po. Yan lang pong bayad na hingin ko sa inyo. Please follow our TikTok account, RenzoTaro444, and send me a message. Kayo pong una mag-message po sa akin if you want to avail a private reading. Kapag may nauna pong mag-message po sa inyo, hindi po ako yan para mag-offer ng private reading, scammer po yan. Ulitin ko po, kayo po ang unang mag-message sa akin to avail a slot for private reading. Pang-anim mong baraha, Gemini, for your general reading is 8 of Pentacles. So, the Tower, yung tatapusin ni universe is like, all of those worries, all of those inhibitions, mga pagdududa, takot, maybe this is related to money, but now I can see her, pabibisi ka na talaga. Kung dati, stagnant, walang pumapasok, matumal, walang growth, but now, papalitan siya ng 8 of Pentacles, which is more on being busy, more on business opportunities, money making. Okay, ito ka, daming sideline, daming side hustles na maaaring susubukan ka, na maaaring makatulong para madagdagan itong mga kaperahan mo. So, busy. Okay, so this is summer season. Baka mamaya, Gemini, marami kang racket. Kasi siguro marami kang side hustle, may tindahan ka. Ano ba itong mga, any kind of thing na talagang gusto mong gawin. Oh, Ten of Cups. Look how connected ang cards natin. Ang katapat niya ay victory, success, which is the Knight of Cups. And I can see here a big celebration. Hindi lang ito isang celebration na ikaw, but all the members of the family, the whole community, whole friendship will be celebrating this big milestone na parating para sa this good news na parating sa iyo, Gemini. I-claim mo na ito. There's a certain situation, there's a certain thing na parating sa iyo na talagang worthy of celebration. Sabi ko, it's because you've been working so hard, pinaghirapan mo ito, nilaban mo to, tinalikuran ka ng lahat, but still here, eto na, makakamit mo na ang lahat ng bunga ng paghihirap mo. Okay, claim mo na to, but Ten of Cups is good news, celebration na parating para sa iyo, Gemini. Ang 8 mong card is Queen of Pentacles, okay? Maybe isa din sa nakadagdag dito sa mga worries mo lately, problema, mga dagok na pinagdaanan mo ay money related. There are a lot of betrayals, mga pagtatraidor na may kinalaman sa pera, inutangan ka, hindi ka na binayaran, or parang niloko ka, or what kind of money, it's like any kind of money you're expecting help from this kind of people na you're expecting, akala mo matutulungan ka, but tinalikuran ka, something like that. This is related about money, and believe me, sabi ko nga, that was just, tapos na yan. Okay, you're now slowly moving forward, Gemini. I know hindi naging madali ang lahat para sa'yo. Hindi natin pwede sabihin na move on na agad. But believe me, with the celebration card here, with opportunities coming on your way, with the Tower, pagtatapos ng mga problema and mga painful experiences, with the Knight of Cups, victory and success, tuloy-tuloy talaga. Okay, worry no more ka na, stress no more ka, Gemini. So focus ka na lang sa current situation mo, sa goals mo, or whatever your plans in life that you want to do. Because, I can see here, like, beautiful things are coming on your way talaga. Ito na. Ace of Cups. New beginning, new chapter, new partnership, new love life is waiting for you. New opportunities, blessings, good news, positive result with the Ace of Cups. Sabi ko, i-claim mo na ito. Talagang meron talagang parating sa'yo. Whether you like it or not, i-receive mo na ito. Three of Wands, because I can see, sabi ko nga, you really want to move forward na. Tapos ka na. Gusto mo na talagang makaraos naman dun sa mga problemang pinagdaanan mo. Grabe yun. Okay, it seems sabi ko, paano mo na-survive yung Gemini? But here you are with the Ace of Cups. Tuloy-tuloy na talaga ito. I-claim mo na ito, Gemini, because good things are coming on your way. Good news, positive result. So i-claim mo na itong Ace of Cups. New beginning is waiting for you. Tapusin natin itong general reading mo, Gemini, with your 10th and last card, which is the Hierophant. Okay? So hindi lang basta ito blessing na parting sa'yo, but this is a kind of blessing where your patience will be tested. Your humility will be tested because there are a lot of people will be talking about this thing. Pag-usapan ka. Okay? But I can see it's more on, you will be inspiring a lot of people around you. Okay? Ay, si Gemini, tingnan mo. Lately, grabe yung pinagdaanan yan. But look, ayan o, bumangon. Ayan na naman siya. Okay, it's like a sort of inspiration for other people. They will be asking for your guidance. They will asking for your opinion. Paano mo nagawa ang lahat ng ito? Ano bang dapat gawin? Guide mo nga kami. Advice mo nga kami, Gemini. It's because, talagang sabi ko, after all the overwhelming responsibilities, after all the trials and painful experiences, here you are. Sabi ko nga, you are bound to greatness. You are bound to claim. I-claim itong mga bonuses mo, itong mga good news and positive result and blessings that is bound for you. You truly deserve it. Kabayaran ng lahat ng pinaghirapan mo. Lahat ng mga pagtatraitor at lahat ng mga masasakit na mga pinagdaanan mo lately. And here you are, Gemini, with the Hierophant card. Sabi ko nga, you are guided and you are bound to inspire a lot of people. And that is a good thing. Ipagpatuloy mo ito and I can see you aarangkada talagang buhay mo. Gemini, I'm wishing you all the best in life. Thank you so much sa iyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. I'm hoping and praying na marami na sa ni Gemini ang makapanood dito ngayon. Thank you so much mga Gemini kong soulmates. Nasa mga kayo naroroon, ano mang ginagawa nyo. Mag-ingat kayo lagi ha. God bless us all.